in a previous video I used Arctic Fox Sterling Silver to dye my hair. And as I said in that video, I was really happy with the result, but it's, I think, three weeks, maybe more, after I dyed it, and well, it's more green again. Like I had this issue before, that my hair seems to turn out green every time I try to dye it silver. Well, green or blue. So I'm still not unhappy with this color. I think down here the greenish, I kind of like it, but up here it's already fading a lot, and yeah, I just don't really want green hair. So today I'm going to try to improve my color, but I am going to use Arctic Fox again. But this time I'm going to use it with a reddish color. I was thinking I need something to counter the green, so I hope this is gonna work. I am going to use Directions Rose Red. Let me show you. Is it on camera? Yes. I think on my screen it looks actually really red, but in reality this is not red at all. It's much more purple pink. So I'm really going to mix the silver with a little bit of purple pink, and then I hope it's gonna look great. I think it might look really classy, much more than this faded green thing that's going on here. So I already did two strand tests. Now I gotta find them. Here is the first one. I had this purplish color, and then after that one, then I mixed it up with more silver and some conditioner, and then I got this, if you can see it. So let me just show you the mixture that I used for the last one. It looks kinda grayish on the screen, I think. It looks a little brighter in reality, but it's not gonna be enough for my whole hair anyway, so I'm going to show you how I mixed it. So I actually used some conditioner. Be sure you use white conditioner only. So just put in a little, something like that, not too much. Then use a lot of the Arctic Fox Sterling Silver. Okay, this one is almost empty. Be back in a sec. And here we go, a whole new bottle. Okay, so on top of the mixture that I already had, you can see, I hope you can see how much I used. So it's a lot more sterling silver over here and a little bit of conditioner over there. And then the final step, adding a bit of purple. Now the trick here is gonna be to not use too much. So I'm gonna take the brush and I'm going to just lightly dip it in here, like this. And then the fun part, just put it in and mix it all up. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, so look at this. So now I'm just gonna put it in my hair, and I'm not going to show you that because, well, I think you can figure out how to put it in your hair. Just take the brush and start like, wait, I can show you a little bit. Just, yeah, put it like that. What is this? Alright, I'm not going to show you on camera. Don't just do this, just put it everywhere in your hair, and I'm gonna show you in a minute. So here I am again, and this is what my hair looks like. And this is the result. Let me show you. I'm really happy with the way this color turned out. It's pretty much exactly what I wanted, and I like this better than just the Arctic Fox Sterling Silver. I think adding a little bit of purple pinkish color to it gives it something extra. So I guess if you want a sterling silver hair color but you're afraid to get a greenish hair, adding just a little bit of purple will do the trick. So if you want lavender hair, I would definitely recommend using the Arctic Fox Silver together with a purple or pink. But also if you just want silver hair, I would still recommend using just a little bit of purple color. Because otherwise, if you have pale blonde hair like I had when I first did the silver, it's probably gonna fade to green. So I'm happy with the way this color turned out, and I hope this video was somewhat useful to you. And that's it. Bye bye.